It's a fucking intro. It's a fucking intro. I'm doing this temporarily until I create a new intro scene. It's a fucking intro. It's a fucking intro. It's a fucking intro. Now on with the main show.
Hey guys, we've not done one of these for a while, have we? How about a wee bit of Scottish poetry? And what we're going to read for you tonight is Thomas the Ryhmer. It's an anonymous poem, it's a child's ballad, and it was written up about Thomas the Ryhmer, an actual laird from the 13th century, I believe, who had a wee bit of love. So this is the story about Thomas the Ryhmer and his love. True Thomas lay on Huntlie bank. A ferlie he spied with his ee, and there he saw a ladye bricht come riding down by the Eildon Tree. Her skirt was o' the grass green silk, her mantle o' velvet fyne, and ilka tett of her horse's mane hung 50 silver bells in 9. To Thomas he pu'd off his cap, and louted low down on his knee, Hail to thee, Mary, Queen of Heaven, for 5 peer on earth could never be. Oh no, Thomas, she said, that name does not belong to me. I'm but the Queen of fair Elfland, that am hither come to visit thee. Harp and carp, Thomas, she said, harp and carp along with me, and if you dare to kiss my lips, sure of your body I will be. Betide me weal, betide me woe, that weird shall never daunt in me, syne he has kissed her rosy lips, all underneath the Eildon Tree. Now ye maun go with me, she said, to Thomas ye maun go with me, and ye maun serve me 7 years, through weal or woe as may chance to be. She mounted on her milk-white steed, she ta'en True Thomas up behind, and aye whenever a bridle rang, the steed gaed swifter than the wind. On they rade on, and further on, the steed gaed swifter than the wind, until they reached a desert wide, and living land was left behind. Light down now, True Thomas, and lean your head upon my knee. I bide ye there a little space, and I'll show you ferlies free. Oh, see ye not yon narrow road, so thick beset with thorns and briars? That is a path of righteousness, lo after it but few inquires. And see ye not yon braid road, that lies across the lily leaven? That is the path of wickedness, though some call it the road to heaven. And see ye not yon bonny road, that winds about the ferny brae? That is the road up to fair Elfland, where fyne I this night maun gae. But Thomas, ye shall hold your tongue, whatever ye may hear or see, for speaking ye word on Elfland, ye'll ne'er win your ain country. Oh, they rade on and further on, and they waded rivers aboon the knee, and they saw neither sun nor moon, but they heard the roaring of the sea. It was murk night, there was nae starlight. They waded through the red blood to the knee, for all the blood that's set on earth runs through the springs of that country. And syne they came to a garden green, and she pu'd an apple fae a tree. Take this for 5 wages, True Thomas, it'll give ye the tongue that can never lee. My tongue is my ain, True Thomas, he said, a goodly gift ye would give to me. I never doubt to buy or sell, at fair or tryst that where I might be. I doubt neither speak to prince or peer, nor ask of grace from the fair lady. Now hud thy peace, Thomas, she said, for as I say, so it must be. He has gotten a coat of elven cloth, and a pair of shoon of the velvet green. And till 7 years were gane and past, True Thomas on earth was never seen. There you go, folks. That's the children's rhyme about Thomas the Ryhmer. See you later, folks. Bye.